Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Since strawberry season is almost coming to an end, today we are making a super refreshing strawberry lemonade. It's quick, easy and perfect drink to beat the heat. So let's get started. I have soaked 2 packets of strawberries, which is about 400 grams, but we'll be using only half. I soaked them in 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder for 5 minutes and rinse them well. Now remove the top of all the strawberries. Well, this is a 3-ingredient recipe: strawberries, lemon juice, and some sweetener. And you will have the perfect refreshing drink for this season. Here's the deal: you can either add sugar directly with the strawberries or use simple sugar syrup, or you can add sweetener later. Once you add strawberries to a blender jar, squeeze in the juice of 3 lemons. Now cover and blend everything into the smooth paste. It's done. We have the strawberry puree, the base of today's recipe. Now place a strainer over a jar and pour the puree through it. Use a spatula to press and scrape out all the juice. Then add some water to the same blender jar, swirl it around and pour it into the jar as well. I'm adding about 1200 ml of water as per my jar's capacity. Well, you can always adjust the quantity depending upon how much lemonade you want to make. Now mix everything well with the help of a ladle. You can add some ice and let it rest in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes to get the maximum flavor. When serving, add some ice cube to a jar or mug. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, then pour in the strawberry lemonade. As I mentioned earlier, if you're adding sugar or jaggery powder, you can mix it while making the strawberry puree. Since I'm using honey as a sweetener, I would like to add just at the time of serving. Give it a quick mix and enjoy this perfect refreshing cooler for the season. That was my strawberry lemonade. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do try out this season and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.